Let's take a look at who is leading the process analytical and instrumentation market today. You might assume that a few industrial giants completely dominate this industry, but the reality is a bit different. Emerson leads the market with an 11% share, followed by ABB at 9%. Siemens holds 7%, while Thermo and Endress account for 6% and 5% respectively. Now, here is the key takeaway. Even the top 5 companies together represent only 38% of the market. That means a substantial 62% remains distributed among several global and regional competitors, highlighting a highly fragmented industry where no single player has overwhelming control. For companies looking to expand their presence, even small gains in this market share can meaningfully alter the competitive landscape and strengthen their position in the evolving market. Markets move fast. Your decision needs to move faster. The 360i research platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your team move from data to confident action. Connect with 360i Research and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.